Testing the Beckett Simonon shoes to see if they're really as good as people say.
First impressions do matter, and right out the box, these trainers look sharp. The leather is very soft, it's premium, they give a very nice, sleek, sophisticated vibe, and you can tell they're designed for both style and comfort.
But now let's talk about comfort.
I wore them all day, and I can tell you that they're extremely comfortable. And the cushioning, I don't know if you can see that, the cushioning is very good, which makes them perfect for everything from casual outings to a more active day.
My feet felt very happy and very supported. But next up is versatility.
The Morgan trainers are incredibly easy to style, whether you're dressing up for a night out
Or keeping it casual with some jeans. These trainers really fit the bill and they really fit my style. So do the Morgan trainers really live up to the buzz? With their comfort, style, versatility, and craftsmanship quality, I'd say absolutely. I would give the Morgan trainers a shot. You will not be disappointed.